Okay, we're on page 143.2, subtracting algebraic terms. I'm going to try not to spend a lot of time on today because honestly, as you can probably already tell, who of you is already like, hey, I'm like totally get this already. Like we probably, I don't even feel like. Not you? Okay.
I do.
All right, then we'll just go through it and see how much time we actually need on it. So basically, you're just subtracting them. So you can see example 3, top of page 141, 1.8y minus 0.9y. Okay, well if you got 1.8y minus 0.9y, well, the decimal stays here, and the y keeps on, right? Not super complicated. Guided practice on the bottom, they do the same thing. 7/10 minus 4/10 is 3/10, y. 1.1 minus 0.2 is 0.9, a. And 1.2 minus y, or 1y, is 0.2 y. Don't need to overthink it. 142, I don't want you on so loud. Simplify algebraic expressions with fractional coefficients by subtracting. So if you have 5/6 minus 1/3, 5/6 a minus 1/3 a. You have to get a. Yeah. Common denominator. Multiply by 2 over 2. 5 minus, so 5a minus 3a. All of it's over 6. It's gonna give you 2a over 6. Good. What's wrong with it?
Not 3a.
Yeah, so it should be simplified to 1/3 a, or you could just say a over 3.
It's not 3a, it's 2a.
Yeah, I didn't say it was 3a.
Yeah, 5a minus 3a over 6.
Oh, so here, I thought you
Yes.
just meant there. Okay, you're right. So that's 2. This is 3. So this should be over what?
1/2.
Yeah, 1/2. So 1 over 2a, or a over 2. I know you're not familiar with that one as much, but anytime you see something multiplied by it, you can think of it as, this is the same thing as like a over 1, right? So if it's a over 1, then when you multiply the fractions, a automatically goes on top. So you can just assume that any variable could go on top for them. You don't need to do that. I don't think it's going to have anything super complicated with that in your assignment, but that's just something to know. Do you have a question?
Yeah, how did you get the 9 over 2?
The 9. Oh, this?
Yes.
I just wrote my a poorly. This is an a.
Oh, okay.
It's sometimes hard to write on the smart board too because it's not like perfectly calibrated.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Yeah, that's on me. Sorry. Example 4 on the top of page 143. You can see that they use the bar model method or the other, just get a common denominator. This is one of those times where I'm going to tell you, hey, I don't think the bar model you need to necessarily use. You can use it as a point of reference though. 143 simplified 2/3 b minus 1/4 b. Common denominator is what?
12.
Yep. Over 12. Over 12. Both have b's. Multiply by 4 over 4. 3 over 3. Gets you 8. Gets you 3. All total you should have 5b over 12 or 5/12 b. You can put the b off to the side. Again, it doesn't matter to me which one you have. They're the same thing.
Wait. Yeah.
Got it?
Okay.
Oh, I just got rid of the wrong page. Alright, skip over to 144, and there's your assignment. You're good to go.